leven heeft het zo bepaald. Ik kom uit het voormalige Perzië, het land van de oude koningen, van goud, vliegende tapijten, beeld, schone vrouwen en Zarathustra. In het vaderland had ik de ambitie om schrijver te worden, maar in Nederland kun je met de pen geen droog brood verdienen. Daarom ben ik handelaar in koffie geworden. Als ik niet op weg ben, verkoop ik koffie in de kleine winkel onder mijn woning. 'S Avonds, na het werk, wijd ik me aan het schrijven. Tot ongenoegen van mijn vrouw blijf ik dan de hele nacht in mijn kamer op zolder. He didn't want to leave my country. But you can read it in. I have written about that. You can read it in one of my books. But I escaped of my country. I left my dreams and I escaped to the Turkey. When I escaped, when I came inside Turkey, I thought that I was the only one who has escaped of his country. I was in Istanbul.
Ero in Istanbul.
And suddenly I saw more than 1 million people of my country. They were walking, sleeping, eating just on the streets. Suddenly I discovered I have come inside in a new world. The world of the jungle in Turkey. And it was the world of the fake passports. You have to pay a lot to get a fake passport to leave Istanbul or Turkey. At that time, if you paid $10,000, you got a fake American passport and they sent you in 10 days to America. You paid $8,000 to Paris, $7,000 to London, $6,000 to Berlin, $5,000 Stockholm, $3,000 Oslo, $3,000 Milan, $2,000 Brussels. If you didn't have any money, they sent you to the Netherlands. And suddenly I was standing in the rain, in the wind and in the car. Where? In Amsterdam.